Harissa has become a very popular spice as of late, and today I'm going to show you how to make a dry spice blend out of the typical spices that go into a harissa. And then we're going to take that dry blend and make it into a chili paste. Harissa by definition is a Moroccan chili paste, but it's easy to use as a spice rub or just sprinkled in anything that you're cooking with also if you don't want to go with the actual paste. So I'm Dorothy, and first of all I just want to go through the typical classic spices that are involved in a harissa. Some sort of chili pepper. I'm using a blend today of chipotles, anchos, and pasillas. They're all smoked, and the chipotles are fairly hot, pasillas not so hot, and the anchos are medium. Then you've got caraway and coriander and cumin, cinnamon, salt, and white pepper. So those are the basic ingredients. Of course, you're going to find different variations on this, but it makes a big difference if you toast the spices before you grind them. So I'll show you how to toast them real quick, grind them up, and then we'll put it together as a blend, okay? You can toast the spices individually or together. Just put them over medium heat, shake them around for a couple minutes until they are light brown and have an aroma, and then they're ready to grind. Just use the coffee grinder and then just wipe it out when you're all done. Okay, so I ground up each of the spices after they were toasted. It only took 1 tablespoon, by the way, instead of a tablespoon and a half. So, and that's what it looks like when it comes out. Now, I've measured that out, so we have 2 teaspoons of caraway, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of toasted coriander, 1 cup of all of the various chili powders, and these are all smoked, chipotle, ancho, pasilla, and we smoke them on the farm. If you would like to know how to smoke and how to dry peppers, give me a thumbs up in the comments below, and maybe I'll do a video on that, okay? Then we want a little cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper. And if you don't have white pepper, you can use black, but white is a little bit milder and the colors are nicer. You do want some pepper because it brings out the rest of the spices quite a bit. So we're going to blend that up, and then let's make a paste out of it. Now in this form, like this, you could use this as a rub on sheet pan dinners. You could use it, I keep it a little spiced by the stove. I'll sprinkle it in chili, I'll sprinkle it in eggs, stews, anything that I'm making on the stove. It's a great spice blend and spice rub to have. But a lot of people like to use it as a paste, so I'll show you quickly how to make a paste. Now let's take the spice blend, make it into a paste. You want 2 tablespoons of the chili powder or the spice blend, 2 tablespoons of oil, and by the way, the way to make this taste the best is to use, of course, as fresh spices as you can possibly find. 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and some garlic. And just mix all that together, and you will have a Moroccan chili paste or a harissa that is excellent. Now, if you don't want to go through any of that, you can always buy it, and we sell the harissa paste in a jar. We also sell the harissa spice blend, but you can also order it from a lot of vendors online. Sometimes the harissa paste is going to be very, very hot, sometimes not so hot. They just know that they vary quite a bit if you purchase it. Okay, but if you've got the ingredients, it's easy to make. Check out the next video, which is going to be some wings with the harissa. I'm going to use the harissa spice and the harissa paste on the wings as kind of a taste test to see which one will be best. Now, it happens to be Super Bowl Sunday today, and I missed the opportunity to get these ready for you for Super Bowl Sunday. So I'll just have to do them for my husband, but you can make the wings for any game day that you want. All right, cheers.